bit different of a video for you guys. I am picking up my new to me and basically new 2024 Yamaha Tracer 9 GT. If you notice, there's been no bike in here for a little while. So we're gonna go out. Unfortunately, while it looks pretty nice outside, it is about 38 degrees here in Chicago. So I'm gonna get all my gear out, load it up into the Audi. We're gonna drive over there. It's about a 40-minute drive to pick the bike up, or at least check it out. Assuming everything's good, we'll take it home. So that is the process today. Like I said, gonna load everything out, put it in the car, and we'll roll out. Also, one very important thing when it's this cold out is leather chaps. Now, I don't know how many of you guys have these, but definitely recommend them. They may look kind of funny, but man, when it's this cold, they do a great job over your riding pants at keeping you warm. Again, I've never seen this bike or ridden the bike for that matter, but I know that riding in this cold weather can be uncomfortable. So I figured, hey, might as well be over-prepared than under-prepared. I have a sweatshirt on, and like I said, that's what we're doing now. I'm rolling out. All right, we just got back. It's officially in the garage, and first impressions are pretty good. It's arguably one of the easiest bikes I've ever ridden, and I've ridden quite a few of them. And honestly, for what I'm gonna be using it for, which is really touring, kind of everyday riding, it's kind of perfect. I will say, my one gripe in the 30 miles that I've ridden it is first and second gear are kind of pointless, especially second gear. It seems from what I've read that power is dialed back about 60%. Or rather you only have 60% of power. So that part kind of sucks, but I think a tune and an exhaust will get this thing up to snuff. But overall, the bike, like I said, is basically brand new. It only has, I think, 1,500 miles. And I'll show you guys this first and foremost. This TFT display is arguably one of the best I've ever had, mainly because I've never had this new of a bike. But for the technology and the price point, you really can't beat it. And yeah, 1,559 miles. And you know what, let's just give it a start while we're here. Pretty quiet. Again, the exhaust is down low. It is on the center stand. Doesn't sound too bad, but again, I think an exhaust is gonna wake it up. So plans for this thing. Like I said, exhaust, a tune, fender eliminator kit is on its way over from overseas. As of right now, that's kind of about it. But I figured I'd give you guys my first impressions on the thing, and we'll kind of make some videos along the way.